So today we're gonna make some Lomo Saldado. First, I'm gonna cut the meat to pieces like this. Okay, so I cut all the meat. I cut 3 tomatoes, some red onion, like half of this red onion, and a yellow bell pepper. It's down here in the very bottom, or orange bell pepper. And I cut some garlic, and I have cilantro, and I'm gonna slice the potatoes. Right now I'm gonna make the rice, and then later I'll cook all this. Okay, so I have my oil in my pan, and I'm gonna put some garlic. You guys can't see it. Let me show you how much I put. Oh, let me flip the camera. This is how much I put. Okay, and now guys, I'm going to show you the rice that I put in here. You gotta be really quick to do the rice, put it in, because the garlic can burn. So just do it in low heat. Mine kind of got brown or crispy, but it's alright. And I'm gonna add the water right now. So I lowered the heat already. Gonna add the water and then cover it and let it cook. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Like this much salt. I'm gonna leave the garlic in there. Some of the garlic got really brown, but it tastes good. I don't know if you can see it. See the garlic in there? It's alright. We'll leave it in there. So I have my potatoes right here. This is how I cut them. They're not super skinny. They're kind of like steak fry size. And I'm gonna do them in 2 portions because I want them to be a little bit crispy. And then I'll put them in this pan over here when I'm done with them, because here's where I'm gonna cook the meat. And then here's the rice. I have it covered in very low heat. And I'll show you when I put all the meat in the pan. I'm gonna need this one. Move those tissues over here. I'm gonna use some of that. You can use soy sauce too. I'm gonna use vinegar also. I'll show you what it'll look like when it's cooking. Okay, so I have my potatoes over there. The rice is still cooking. And my pan, I'm gonna put this first. The onion. So now I put the meat in here, and I put some salt, like a tablespoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of pepper, and I'm gonna mix this, and then I'll add some of these Maggi seasoning and some vinegar, and at the very end I'll put this and then the cilantro. Okay, so here's the meat. I added the pepper and the cilantro. I also added like 3 tablespoons of this, and then about 3 tablespoons of this, the vinegar, and then I covered it and let it simmer, and the meat got softer. And then now I added the pepper and the cilantro. So I'm gonna let it cook for maybe just 2-3 more minutes, and then the rice is ready. Right here it fluffed up a lot, and then I'll show you right now when I serve it how it's gonna look. And then here you go, guys, this is what it looks like. My lomo saltado with rice, potatoes, and try it. It's really good and easy to make. Okay, bye bye.